Okay, hi guys. So we are just going to take like 5 to 7 minutes of your time. Okay, and we have already had the pleasure of meeting section B. Okay, but we couldn't get the time to meet section A separately, so we are using this opportunity to meet the both of you. Okay. So actually we are participating in a competition and it's about an application Napoli about which we are going to tell you more and okay. Do you ever feel out of place when you are in a group and your friends are having an intellectual discussion and you have no idea like what they are talking about? I thought so. I'm also one of them. So you don't have to go through that feeling anymore because here comes something. Your knowledge, application, Delhi. Okay. Okay. You must be thinking that why this application out of all the news applications, right? Well, on one hand, where all the other news applications provide you with news, this application provides you with insightful news. Okay, how many times have you ever had to go to Google whenever you read a news and whenever you want to know history about some history and some any other topics related to that news, you have to go to Google all the time. How many times has it happened with you? It has, right? So with this application, you will get all the information and all the knowledge about that app, about that news in that application only in just 6 swipes. Okay. For example, we all know that GST was passed by Rajya Sabha and many of us don't know that how it originated and what is all its use and what is going to be the impact. So this application will provide you with the news and it will answer all the 5W1H questions. What, why, when, where, who and how. So for example, the topic is India after GST. The what question can be what makes the passing of the GST bill a rare political event. So all this information can be found out by using this one application and you don't have to use Google all the time. So actually, see, I know I've also been in my macroeconomics class, and then Sir starts to talk. I'm like, yeah, he must be saying something. I'm totally unaware of what he's saying. Okay, so I was a spectator in the class. I don't want you to be one of them. I want you to participate and just know more about all this, what is happening. And not just know the headline but the whole story behind it. So this application does not just have this 5W1H analysis feature but also many other interesting features such as bookmarking an article which you like and you want to read about later, and then sharing naps, that is news items with your friends so that you can discuss with them in during lunch or breakfast or whenever you want, whenever you meet them. And also the news is arranged according to your preferences. Whatever news you want to read, you will just read that. You don't have to go through any other news. So these are just some of the features of this application. And I don't know what you're waiting for. I mean, you can just download it for free from Play Store and App Store. And you can show Satya sir that what you actually know. Okay? So, and now our brand ambassadors are just going to take a round and they will download the app.